So I was going to use my cell phone, and you can see it sitting right there. But it's just really kind of pretty out here, guys. We're in Virginia right now on 77. See? And just came down through the mountains. You can kind of see them back there. See? Students getting some downgrade training. This is upgrade training. i.e. pedal that way. Yeah, just kind of enjoy the scenery. It's been a while since I've had a scenery video. Just thought record a little bit. I don't have any real topic, but I did meet with a YouTube fan today, Matt. It was really nice visiting with you. Very cool to meet up with some of you guys. One of my students' wife and kids still want me to go visit them up in New York. I haven't made it out there. And just the way that cloud is looking, guys, look at that. And then the sun and the mountains in the background. It's really pretty. There's been a lot of really pretty scenery that we've been driving through. And it's quite nice. Yeah, if I travel this way a little bit, you can see some hands on a steering wheel. You see them?
That's funny.
Yeah.
That might be too much.
Yeah, that might be too much for some of you guys. Hold down. Drink some ice water. You can see the road kind of comes over that way. You see their headlights. Hopefully you can. Yeah, you can. Nice little stream right here. And this is just pretty. I wouldn't mind having a house over here somewhere. Maybe not Virginia though. I don't know. If I get a house somewhere, the state needs to have very liberal, not liberal. Yeah, I think that's the word. I don't know. I'm tired, guys. But gun rights need to be a very strong point of that state. I think Virginia is a strong state for them. I'm not sure now. I can't remember. I'm very pro Second Amendment. As anyone who's on my Facebook page would know. I'm trying to hold this steady. I'm just holding it in my hands. And we're gonna stop over here at this Love's over here. We're gonna eat some grub and get clean, because a little dirty right now. And then I'll get this video uploaded probably for tonight or tomorrow morning. What time is it right now? Look at all that over there. That's pretty. It's January the 27th at almost 1800. So yeah, not too bad. I know I'm gonna have somebody say, "Oh, you're moving around too much." Real pretty through here. You can kind of see all the mountains out there. There's really mountains everywhere. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Real short video. Just kind of showing what I've been seeing. So, yeah, that's going to be the end of this one. I'm going to go eat. Then shower and try to get a little bit of sleep. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, rate, and subscribe.